Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charissa, and for today's video I am really excited because for this video we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm this is the base box. So let's go. I haven't even opened this up. My daughter got this in the mail yesterday while I was at work as usual. So this is the base box. So if you guys are not familiar with what is a Boxycharm is, basically it's a monthly subscription for makeup, skincare, hair care, tools, and all that stuff. Base box do retails for $25 a month plus shipping. You do get 5 items in here. It's over 175 value. I would have it linked on the description down below, and also a code for you to use just in case you do want to purchase or want a makeup subscription. If you want to grow your makeup collection, makeup subscription is your go-to, because you do get really discounted item right here for your makeup instead of buying it in Sephora and stuff. Trust me, I have seen Natasha Denona, Tarte, all of those expensive makeup brands that you can get at Sephora on a Boxycharm. So let's just go ahead and unbox this one. So every month they do have a theme, and oh, this is cutie. It's pink. Our theme for this month is fantasy. So our variation is C2107014-BA. Like what I said early this year, 2021 hits, and our variation is that long. So I haven't really picked into this box. So what is this? So this is Outre 8-in-1 CBD multi-purpose nutrient mist styling and brilliant oh, that's too long, whatever. So this guy right here is, so this is a leave-in conditioner, and this guy retails right here for $30. So it says leave-in conditioner packs with 8 powerful benefits into one: enhances body and manageability, detangle hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environment damage, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to refresh hair and add shine. So unfortunately I already have my hair done, but is this a mist? Or if you look at it, it's like kind of like lotion, but it's in the mist spray. So it's like a leave-in conditioner, but like how the heck? It comes like you squirt it, like it's like comes in a spray, like look, but it gives you that cream texture. Like, oh, it has a really nice smell. Oh, it has a really nice smell, and I like it. So I'll probably gonna be using this tomorrow if I wash my hair. Like, I'm trying to train my hair not to wash it every day, because you know guys, if you have been here into my channel, I do tend to wash my hair every day, and I'm trying not to do that anymore because my hair is really dry right now, like crazy dry right now. So this is our first product right here. This is a hair product. It's a leave-in conditioner. So what is this? Oh, this is from Bakerie. Better, not bitter. Don't be bitter. This is a setting powder. So this is like the first product that I do have from Bakerie. So let's just check it out. They have a really cool packaging, and sometimes bigger companies steals it, you know what I mean. So this is just like a translucent powder. It has that sifter right here, and this guy right here retails for $24. This is finely milled oat flour setting powder. Allows you to set your concealer and foundation in place for a long day's wear. This colorless formula puts the oily face battle to rest. I will noticeably blur your pores and soften your complexion, leaving you with a beautiful matte finish. I am excited about that because all you guys know, I have all of those. Like, I'm oily, I have enlarged pores. It's 117, 110 here in Vegas. So we're gonna put this one to the test on my next video. So for our third product, this is by Generation Skin Hydrating Marinette Algae Eye Patches. So it has a really nice color. So it does have this little scoop right here, which is so nice. Oh, ooh la la, I like this one. I always see this, guys, in Instagram. It does not, it just have that, I don't know how to describe that smell. So I'm excited to try this on. Oops, I already have my makeup on. I'm ready to go to work. It's kind of squared on my face. So it has this guy right here. And let's just read some of the stuff. So do you put this on nighttime? This girl cannot see. Use the enclosed mini spatula to lift and separate a patch. Apply a patch to clean, dry under eye area. Repeat on the other eye. Wait approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Peel patches. Massage the remaining serum into the skin around the under eye area for a maximum result. So I'm excited to try this one, because you know this girl right here is not getting younger, and I am starting to get lines over there. So this is our third product, no, fourth product, and this guy right here is, how much are you? $49.99. So basically it's 50 bucks for this guys right here. And how many patches is this? This is 30 pairs, and we do have another lippy oil. Oh, I like this because sometimes my lips get so dry. This is Bakerie Beauty Lip Oil. I like to do like lip oils on like at nighttime. And it does not have a, yeah, it does not have a scent. It has the ingredients right here, but it does not have a direction. Do you like put this, like, let me guys know, do you put your lip oils on top of your lipstick? Or like at nighttime when you go to work, so when you wake up your lips are really moisturized. So this guy right here, $18, ready for a quick pamper session for your lips. This hydrating lip oil nourishes your lips from inside out with coconut oil for effortlessly shine and instantly reduce appearance of your lips lines. So that is really nice. So, of course, we do have an eyeshadow palette. How do you pronounce this? Illamasqua? Is that how you say it? So, let's check out the color story of this one. So, it really has that nice packaging. I am such a sucker for packaging. Like, I like that shape and the color. Those are my jam. Ooh la la. There you go. You got me right there. So, this guy right here, as you can see, oh no, I love the color story. I love the color story, and I am so excited to try this on. This is my jam. This guy right here retails for $50. I love this jar. I cannot wait to try this one. Probably tomorrow I will try you. I love what I got this month on my base box. So let's just total up the products that we have. So it says over 175 retail value that we're going to have. So let's see. For the eyeshadow palette, that's $50. For the setting powder, that's $24. The eye patches is $49.99. For the leave-in conditioner is $30. For the lip oil is $18. So we kinda did not meet the 175 plus average value. We are only on $171.99. So, but that's okay with me, because sometimes you do get like a really super high value box, and then one of the two products that I'm like, really? I'm okay with that, even though it's, you know, it's just a couple of dollars. But I love and excited on all of the products that I did receive on my base box this month. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, because I do have my premium box also. You want to see that one. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can get notified on all of my future uploads.